Coming up, the fantastic Hannans North Tourist Mine in Kalgoorlie in the Goldfields. Welcome back to Finding G-Spots. Today we're going to have a look at a fantastic museum, the Hannans North Tourist Mine in Kalgoorlie, which is of course in the Goldfields. And of course it's a great place to see some of the equipment and some of the techniques that they use to mine around the Goldfields and probably around other areas of Western Australia. And it includes these fabulous haul pack trucks and some digging equipment as well, which you can look at. And it's got lots of areas where you can look outside, and they've got mining frames, and they've also got a fabulous underground shelter which they use in mining emergencies, as well as some of the older style mining stuff which was used, including Paddy Hannan, who was an early miner here in Kalgoorlie in the Goldfields from quite a long time ago, over 100 years ago now, I believe. And it's an opportunity to have a look. Now, it's been many years since I was there, and last time I was there they had an inside area where you could go. Now, I was told by the people, the lovely people I should add, inside the gift shop and the reception area, that this area will be opening up again next year. But anyway, without further ado, come and check out the amazing Hannans North Tourist Mine. There's so much to do there. So we're going to try panning for gold. So yeah, you just put a bit of dirt into it, and then swirl it around. That's it. Okay, yep, just keep swirling it around, and then the gold supposedly should rise to the surface. So just see if you can see anything. Oh my goodness, what's that?
Sun bit into our bats at over 100. Up to 107 degrees, would you believe? At home, well, that was where you pitched.
Refuge chambers also feature 3 separate sources of breathable air supply. The first is compressed air filtration.